Hey y'all, hey, today's video is a kids bathroom clean with me, and you are going to be witnessing what it looks like before we get into the cleaning. It's very messy. I kind of neglect this bathroom. As you can see, I don't even empty the trash can as regularly as I should. The bathtub is full of bath toys. The toilet needs to be scrubbed really well, but we are going to be using something all natural today, and if you're interested, keep on watching.
That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better.
Okay, so for this all natural mixture here, I'm just going to be using hydrogen peroxide, and it's a sanitizer, a disinfectant. It can do so much, y'all. You should really do your research on it. I really just want to use something natural, as it is going to be used in the kids' bathroom, and Logan is now sitting in the tub taking big girl's bath, so I just want to make sure that the tub is clean and sanitized with something natural. I just want to try it out. You guys know I'm not opposed to bleach and chemicals and things like that. But anyway, moving on to this here solution. After you put the hydrogen peroxide in the container of your choice, you use the same part of water. I'm using filtered water from my refrigerator. It was warmed in the microwave. I didn't show you guys that part, but you just use equal parts water and hydrogen peroxide. A good choice would be essential oils, but I don't have that as an option, so I just sliced a lemon in half. Now I'm going to juice it and add that to the bottle as well, and that's just going to be my solution for today's cleaning. And if you want to know more about hydrogen peroxide, do your research, but this is what I'm going to be using, and it's safe, and yeah, it's for the babies, and that's what we're going with today. No chemicals. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get into it. So the first things I'm going to be doing in this bathroom is picking up all the rugs and shaking them really well, because I don't really want to get all that dust and whatever's on these rugs in my washing machine. And I'm picking up the kneeling mat. I'm also going to take Logan's bathtub out of the bathroom. She doesn't use it anymore, as I already told you guys. Taking out the trash, just removing anything from the vanity that I know shouldn't be in there. I told y'all in my last video that I'm going to be working on trying to put things back in their place, because everything in my home should have a home of its own. But you know, I'm very busy. Y'all know I have 2 kids. If you are new here, my name is Denise, and I am a mom of 2. I have a 4-year-old son, his name is Lucas, and I have a 8-month-old daughter, her name is Logan. And you guys know from this pee right here that Lucas is the one probably doing all this damage. But yeah, I just want you guys to see that I know that I'm not the only one that is suffering from this. So if your toilet looks like this, go ahead and try this method. I'm just going to go ahead and spray it beforehand, because I just really want it to, marinate a little bit, get all the germs and all that other stuff that's going on down there. I just want to let y'all know that as I'm taking everything off of this vanity, I will not be bringing that soap dispenser back, because if you seen my last video, well, my master bathroom clean and decorate with me, I had to throw away that soap dispenser as well. Well, this soap dispenser is very janky too. It's leaking soap everywhere, so I'm just gonna discard that. I'm gonna just use whatever container that my soap is that I'm using in this video, which you gotta keep on watching to see what scent I'm gonna be using. It's a true throwback. But anyway, I'm cleaning this mirror, and y'all, shockingly, it came out great. When I first sprayed the solution on the mirror, I was a little bit worried about it, because I saw a little bit of like speckles, but the more I wiped, obviously it cleared up. And y'all, my mirror looks so good. using the Fiji White Sands for the wallflower, but that's not gonna be my spring scent. I really haven't decided what I want my house to smell like for the spring, because I really haven't been on the Bath and Body Works website as of late. But I did get those gift cards for Christmas, so I can buy something, but I just haven't looked. But anyway, if you are one of those people that have to have your house smell like something every season, just let me know in the comments what is going to be your signature smell for your home.
Isn't it obvious? You should be by my side again. 'Cause we had that love, we had that poison. I follow the spark in your eye, but in a moment of doubt we will lose it all.
So as I'm putting everything back, I just want to let you guys know that I love a lamp in the bathroom. Like, it just gives the bathroom such great ambiance, you know. That's a SAT word. I'm just playing. But anyway, that little yellow thing that you see, that is Logan's toothbrush, and it's by Frida Baby. And I love it. She loves it because she be killing my finger. But anyway, I will try to have that linked in my description box if you too have a child that has sprouted some teeth. Yeah, it's really good. I do need to hurry up and make a doctor's appointment, well, a dentist appointment for her, because unfortunately when I had Lucas, I had no idea when he was supposed to go to the dentist, and he had like a ton of teeth by the time I took him to the dentist for the first time. Matter of fact, I think I have a video of his first dentist appointment. But anyway, I have it linked in the cards for you guys if you want to take a look. But anyway, that is my signature scent in this bathroom for my soap. It's cucumber melon. I know everybody and their mama knows what cucumber melon smells like, but it is so nostalgic for me, and I was just so excited to wash my hands in here. I know it sounds crazy, but anyway, I love it. Yeah, that's just something that I want to share with you guys because I'm goofy and I like soap.
Time goes by and yet I wonder, are you and me still the same? Are you still loving the game? I know I don't. You cast your spell and I went under. I know the laughter and the pain. Will I ever love again? I don't know if I can take it anymore. So I stay here and hold my heart when you walk out the door. Made a promise to myself and I repeat it in my head. Set your mind free. Set your mind free. No one knows what I've been through, but this is the end of me and you. Set your mind free. Made a promise to myself, this time I will keep it. Where there's a will, yeah, there's a way. With every smile, with every tear, I know I will make it. I'm gonna see a brighter day. Oh, 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 a brighter day, a brighter day. Oh, a brighter day. Time goes by and yet I wonder, why do we put each other through hell? Why can't we just get over ourselves? I know I should. You cast your spell and I went under. I know the laughter and the pain. Will I ever love again? I don't know if I can take it anymore. Yeah, so I stay here and hold my heart when you walk out the door. Yeah, made a promise to myself and I repeat it in my head. Set your mind free. Set your mind free. No one knows what I've been through, but this is the end of me and you. Set your mind free. Oh.
So we're finally moving on to the bathtub. First things first, I gotta get all of the toys out of the bottom of the tub, and then I'm going to spray the tub down so I can give it a good scrubbing with that same sponge that I use in the sink. And then I'm going to soak the bathtubs in the rest of the solution with a little bit of additional water, because I ran out of peroxide. And next time I go to the store, I'm definitely going to get a few bottles, because I really did enjoy this. It just felt so much healthier for me. Maybe I just needed to take a little break, see, from the chemicals and all the scented sprays. There was just a light hint of lemon. I'm sure it would have been a little bit more enhanced if I was using essential oils. That's why I did say you can definitely use those, maybe 20 to 30 drops.
If I could hear my father's voice, he would tell me to move on. He would say I'll be just fine. Yeah, he would tell me we have time, time to laugh and time to heal. Our favorite song is on repeat, drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home. Ooh, I'm thinking about you. Ooh, I'm wishing that you knew. That I'm thinking about you. I see that smile on your face. You told me about the hidden place, something in the atmosphere. You're always here, you always here. Time to laugh and time to heal. My favorite song is on repeat, drinking wine until the dawn.
So I did buy a new addition for the bathtub. I found this on Amazon, but I actually saw it first on Nitra B's channel. I do love her channel, if you guys didn't already know that. But yeah, I saw it ages ago on her channel, and I just always thought that it was like so much better than the option that I have, which was nothing. So yeah, I'll have that linked in my description box for you guys as well. It's really easy to put together. I didn't show you here, but it does have little inserts or separators for the toys. So if you stay to the end, you'll definitely get to see everything as it should be. But I just didn't show you in this clip right here, and I do apologize. I'm just scrubbing all of the toys with a microfiber rag, and I just want to make sure that everything gets rinsed off, any soap, scum, or anything that was on the toys. I will definitely soak the toys on the regular.
And I'm thinking about you. I'm thinking about
Just in case anybody was wondering, these towels are not for show. You can actually use these towels. I change them very regularly, so if I did have any guests, they can snatch them off, dry their body. It's not going to be a problem. They're not decorational. But anyway, the last things that I'm going to be doing in this bathroom, I'm going to sweep, steam, mop.
daydreaming. Feels like I'm fading away. And I wonder why no one ever stays. How am I supposed to spend my days when all I wanna do is feel?
Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed it and you are appreciating this aftermath, because you do remember what it looked like before. I didn't really stick any clips in there for you. I just want to let you guys enjoy all the hard work that happened. And the solution that I used was perfect. Everything is clean and shiny, as you can see. If you are thinking about giving it a try yourself, let me know down in the comments, because I'm just curious to know, will you take a little break from the chemicals and just go a little natural here and there every now and again? But anyway, like I said, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you are new here and you enjoyed it enough, please subscribe, because I am trying to make it to 1,000 subscribers, and with your help I can do that. But anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video, which should be on Wednesday. Until then, bye.